Go.
Adriana?
Stop. Yeah?
Lots of waiting.
Okay. Oh, you really were there?
Such a good boy. Yeah, you found me in the dark. Good boy, good boy. Yeah, hi, camera. I found my mom.
Can't really see it. It's dark.
Okay. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Here.
Does he have any tricks?
Sometimes he can catch his toys in his mouth.
Give it to me.
Any tricks that he can do now?
Yeah. Sometimes he can catch.
Ready?
Stay. Hold on.
Stay. Stay.
Catch it. He tried to grab. Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go. He just wants to play tug of war now. So happy.
Whoa.
Stay. Up, Adriana. Stay.
Okay, 1 second.
Catch it. It's too big for him. Good boy.
Okay, I'm gonna end it.
Okay.
Wait. Go. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.